Hello, hi everyone. So we still continue to unboxing Kyoukai Senki series. Previously we were unboxing Ready Phantom, and today we are unboxing Miles Reiki Kai. So same as previous, the scale is 1 per 72, not 1 per 144 like a Gundam. So the HG also, the price is 100 ringgit. So this front image and the rear image. So they give me articulation here. We got a weapon vibrating Nagita Nakai. They got thruster like wings. Then you got park state, can be used by armor special carrier. This one is sold separately lah. This are lorry one. Then this is a series lineup: Mileage Yogakan and armored special carrier. And see what is inside. This from 2021. Then got 1 pack, 2 pack, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pack. And this is a manual. Maybe got some water here, damage the manual. So see here, we can see the also got some parts will not use across here. The first they will build the right leg. Right leg is something like this. Got many movable point here. Right leg and left leg. Sorry, the menu very dirty. And body assemble. The body assemble is similar to main unit, if I remember correctly. Body assemble. The menu very dirty one. The arm assemble and just the finger different, the right and left arm. So the head here. Then this a complete assemble. The weapon, got weapon and it's like backpack. So get the wing, the skirt, the back skirt can move up, become like a wing here. So this one transform to the park state. Then still got the weapon, but the weapon sold separately. They got a weapon like this. So this pilot, the action pose with the weapon. First pack, D1 and G2 and H. This one for weapon. This for I think armor. This back skirt one, it's like wing. So in the frame, the finger, hand parts, the main body parts in the frame on the B. Setelah the A, kita move. It's got a clear part for the head, and this armor part for the body. runner E, pair of runner E, so mostly to for armor, leg or arms, hand armor. Sticker, correction sticker. And F4 got 2, so in a frame for leg or hand, arms maybe. So F4 and F4. Runner C and runner D2, D1 and D2. So this one, I think they for armors. This C for body armor. Last spread. H2. Batu jatuh. Sorry, the batu, the heel parts very loose one. Okay, so they got G1 and I think it has a G2 here. So these are pair unit, I think for the skirt, back skirt. Then lastly is H2, H1, just only for this part only lah. So that's all for unboxing Reiki Kai. So later I will do the speed root video and review. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.